What's up YouTube? Fuzzy Treasures here, and we have another unboxing video. So this one I've been waiting for a little bit. I actually pretty excited. If you couldn't tell, it's from these people here. I also have the hat here. I've been watching these guys for a while. I'll put the video here, the first video I ever watched of them. It was probably, I want to say almost 2 years ago. So I kind of been following their journey and actually started reselling because of them. And yeah, I mean, there's not really much else to say besides that, but so I got a mystery box here from them, a vintage mystery box, and it's about 170. I think there's 15 pieces in here, and yeah, I mean, we might as well just open this up, but I'll put this somewhere. It's kind of hot in here, so I'm definitely gonna take this hat off, but yes. And we're back. So yeah, it was really hot in here and I don't really feel like wearing that indoors. So this box is their like higher end box. It was $7.50 and I think there's 15 shirts in here. So should be a good one. I mean, honestly, let's just go right in. Alright, so it's open and I'm just gonna start pulling pieces from the top and showing you guys what I got. This is on a polar bear tag, and there you go. Looks like it's a Detective Batman comic, Detective Comics Batman. It is, and this is a 1985. Wow, that's actually a super crazy piece, and the condition is like very, very nice. I think I saw this one in the video that they showed of this lot. It's a pretty sick shirt. You don't know like too much value on this, but I'm sure it's up there. I hope so. Okay, next piece is on a Fruit of the Loom tag. And here we go. Nothing on the back. You guys get to sneak peek first. And it is, oh, Purgatory, okay. Actually had somebody message me about this. They actually saw it folded up and like knew exactly what it was. This is like a comic from, I want to say the 90s or early 2000s, but like this graphic is sick. Actually never, like I'm a pretty big comic guy, but never heard of this one before. It's 98 actually. It's in great condition too. Next piece up is on a nothing tag because there's nothing on it, and it is wrong way. It is a Magic Johnson tee. It's a very nice t-shirt, nice front and back. This looks like it's like a medium. I've been getting a lot of Magic Johnson stuff. I like it. You really can't go wrong with some nice basketball tees. All right, next piece is on a Hanes Heavyweight, size XL. Looks like a Batman and Robin shirt, which is super sick. Yeah, it's the Batman and Robin Taco Bell shirt. This shirt is actually really cool. Yeah, Taco Bell on the sleeves, single stitch. I think Pepsi. Yeah, Pepsi on the other side. Yeah, this shirt is in like crazy condition. I actually really like this. These movies were like my favorite. They were super corny, but like the the one with Mr. Freeze and Arnold was just insane. This is sick. I keep seeing a lot of people not know what this is, but I know exactly what this is. It's on a Tool Tex tag. This is a Youngblood. So this is Youngblood is oh sorry, it is Youngblood, but Valiant Comics. I think it's Marvel's like little brother comic. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure at one point they own this, but this is the same person that makes Deadpool. It's the same artist. So I like his style is like these characters kind of look like Deadpool, and like his art style he gets made fun of because he makes really botchy legs, Like if you look at their legs, he can't draw legs, which is really funny to me. I actually met him. I'll put it here, a photo of me when I went to Comic-Con. I met him and I like got to talk to him. It's pretty cool. Oh, Rob Layfield is his name. I should know that. Big fan of his. This is on a blank, but it is a Batman tee. Batman Returns. This is actually really nice. 1991. Single stitch, of course. Dang, this shirt is super dope. I hope this is my size because I'm definitely gonna be rocking this. A lot of superhero stuff in here. Can't go wrong with that. Okay. On a heavy cotton Fruit of the Loom is Billy Rabbit, Dog Eat Dog. I know these teas are worth a good amount of money. I've seen them before. I can drink it all by myself. Okay, so this tea is perfect for me. Dog Eat Dog. Single stitch, has a small stain on it somewhere right here. Could probably get that out in a nice oxy bath wash. Okay. Here's another one of those crazy teas. This is on a Fruit of the Loom. It's another Dog Eat Dog. They're very like crazy graphic teas. Like I think this one's like a marijuana tea, looks like. Stone Cold Killers, yeah. Killer Attack of the Killer Weeds. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. I like the drinking one better, of course, but you know. Okay. Keep going. This is on a Reese's Snuggleware. Looks like this is a like sleeping shirt. This is like a horror tee. This thing is super sick. It's super long though. Double-sided. See if I can find any information on it. Nothing right now, but if I do find something on it, I will let you guys know. So we have a few teas left. Okay. I think this is all one tea. Oh no, these are two teas. Back. This is on a Guinness Sportswear. Looks like an anime tee. Oh, it's Dot Hack. Okay. That's dope. So this is actually like these games, if you ever, I don't know if you've ever played these games, they were on the PS2. I'm not sure if part 4 was. I'm pretty sure they were because there was like 6 of them. But these games were really sick. I think these games were super ahead of their time. And right now, if you have these games, they're worth so much money. Like I think like just one of them is probably like over 100, especially right now. Dot Hack Quarantine, as we're in the quarantine. Okay. Here is another tee on another tag. This looks like it is another Magic Johnson tee. This one is insane. Graphic all around. Lakers on the sleeves. Damn, this one is super sick. This was even sicker than the other one. It's on the Magic Johnson tees. That's sick. Too bad it's like a medium. Oh man. Save that for later. Okay, this is on a Fruit of the Loom XL. This is, I want to say this is a video game. Yeah, Capcom, Dark Watch. I think this is a horror game if I'm not mistaken, but I don't know. I don't think I've ever played this one. I've heard of it. Just a little hit on the front, little hit on the back. Okay, so we have 2 more. And this is on a Anvil XL. Don't know what it is, nothing on the back. What is it? Is that a Grateful Dead tee? 94. Interesting. Never seen like a plain Grateful Dead tee. I feel like a lot of people would like this just because it's most of their tees are like super tie-dye and stuff. People like the subtle look. Alright, I don't really know which one I want to show you guys next, but I'm gonna take this time to say, if you want to purchase any of this stuff, my Instagram, Depop, and all my handles are down below. Best way to contact me is on Instagram. I respond. I'm very frequent and active on there. And yeah, if you're not following, you should, because I post a lot of videos like this, usually weekly. I'll have a video of this kind of stuff, of unboxings. If you like that, feel free to follow along. But anyway, here is this next one. This shirt is actually pretty crazy. It's a Prince shirt, 1999. Yeah, I like that one. This is my size too. I might have to rock that for a little bit. And I was told I was gonna get a wrap tee in here, and I think this is the one. This is Perfect Game Sports, and it is the Usher wrap tee, which is hilarious. Usher is, this is just a funny tee. Look how off-centered that is. I wonder what year this is. Does it say? I mean, I guess if I looked up You Got It Bad, I could figure it out. Yeah, that's it. That's all the tees. What do you think? What do you guys think on this lot? It was $7.50. Do you think I'm gonna be making my money back, or was this just was this worth it? What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments, and if you're looking to buy anything, let me know, because these things are definitely most likely going to be on sale in the next few days, or if not, they probably already are in my store. And yeah, you guys have a good one. Stay safe out there.